how to fix Valorant DirectX error. First, if you're having any kinds of error on the Valorant game, what you want to do is you want to simply close your game and your right client completely. Tap, you want to simply right click on the taskbar on your to close the window. You want to simply close both of the applications from here. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply check for internet connections as well. You can simply tap on your Wi-Fi over here, go to settings, and here you'd be able to see your Wi-Fi settings. So over here you want to simply you want to simply you want to simply connect it to a network that is actually working. After that, what you can also do is you can simply tap on the start icon and restart your PC over here. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply update your graphics driver if that is necessary. And what you can also do is you'll be able to check your DirectX or your graphics hardware to meet your Valorant's requirement. And if that does meet requirements, you can simply launch the Valorant game again, and you shouldn't be having any kinds of error. Hope this video was helpful, and if I have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.